Here's today's Snidbits. I'm Yetti. The Cirkul water bottle flavoring system is currently making the rounds on TikTok. Their claim to fame is the ability to flavor individual sips of water instead of the entire bottle for some reason. Started in 2017, Cirkul has $1.5 million in annual revenue. Water bottles cost between $12 to $35 depending on the type and fanciness. Individual flavor cartridges cost $3.75, and they're supposedly supposed to flavor up to 132 ounces of water, which is about 6 water bottles. Online, the reviews average 2 stars out of 5. That's not good. The most common popular 5-star reviews tout the company line, saying it helps them drink more water and is amazingly flavorful. The top bottom comments, 1 and 2 star, cite poor customer service, nasty aftertaste, and flavors last nowhere near as long as they say. So if you're thinking this is just a cheap product being pushed to young Americans, maybe you should think again. The Blendjet is a portable blender developed by 2 Silicon Valley engineers in 2017 when they decided the world didn't have enough cheap, useless gadgets. With an annual revenue of $50 million, I'm guessing they were right. The Blendjet is touted as being easy to use, very portable, and easy to clean. The price for the Blendjet is currently $49.95 on sale now, and they do sell individual smoothie packets as a subscription if you want. Average reviews for the Blendjet are 4.5 out of 5 stars, much better than Cirkul. The most common popular positive reviews are easy to clean and easy to use, and they love it. The most common negative reviews are that it's not a very strong motor, it has a hard time chopping up big vegetables, and it runs out of battery way too quick. It touts the ability to blend 15 times, but each blending is only 20 seconds, so that's 5 minutes. Next up, the internet's favorite, railroad crossings.